It's time to finish up the pound cake here in the kitchen with Lucy Greer. It's a Greer's Wednesday.
Yes, we have already put together our batter.
Yeah.
So we have the oven on at 300, and it's going to take a little over an hour to cook. So we have one already made, and I thought we could make a little glaze to go on top.
Joe said this was a very healthy recipe
Yeah.
that everybody should print out.
Yes.
Everyone should print out.
Everyone should print out.
We're just not going to promise on the healthy part.
I know. Spiro said last night when I was making it, before he knew I was making this, he said, I'm really going to cut back on sweets, blah, blah, blah.
Here's the pound cake.
I know. So I was like, I better give this thing away. So I have about a cup and a half of powdered sugar in our bowl, and then I have some milk in this measuring cup. Yeah. So you're just gonna start with a couple tablespoons of milk, and I mean the good thing is, you know, if you add a little bit too much, you can add a little bit more powdered sugar. Yeah. Or, you know, we're just gonna kind of play with the right consistency. And actually, let me go ahead and add my vanilla. So we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla, and I mentioned that Posey puts food coloring in here, so I have a little bit of red at home. I should have brought a little bit of red, and we could have made it pink, which was always my favorite. Yeah. So if
that's
you
a really good idea, though.
I know. So it's really pretty, and she would always make it for like a shower and things like that. So, you know, if you were going to take it to a baby shower, you could do blue or pink or, you know, green or whatever. So you just mix it together with your whisk until we're gonna, I don't know, that might look pretty good. Yeah. All right, so then you just pour it over.
So, you know, with Spiro saying he's cutting back on sweets, I mean, if you need me, you know, to handle this pound cake, Lucy.
You know, you're always a team player.
I'm a friend like that.
You are a friend like that. I know. I was thinking I should give, and I am going to give some. I have an associate, Lacey, that runs our Cottage Hill Deli Bakery, and her husband, Calvin, he's seen me make the pound cake several times, and he always tells Lacey, you need to make the pound cake. You need to make Lucy's pound cake. And she's like, you make the pound cake. Right. So I'm going to cut some off and take some to Calvin for sure.
He'll like that.
He'll like that, yep.
So we're getting ready for spring break in all the stores. We mentioned Easter. You can't mention Easter without talking about spring. And again, the stores are ready for you guys, whether you're having a family Easter egg hunt, maybe making a Sunday dinner at your house.
Yes, and if you are busy, of course, we can mention our online shopping.
Pickup.
Our pickup. I actually have an order going on right now. So greers.com/shop, and you can place your order online, and you can either pick it up at the store.
So easy.
Or if you're in the Mobile area, you can get it delivered. So it's super easy. So just, you know, saving time and money, and
look how perfect that looks.
So, and you could definitely do more, which I think Posey would be like, Lucy, that is not near enough. So I would probably do 2 cups, which I did a cup and a half. So you could definitely, and the good thing about this, I mean, I could totally mix up some more and pour some more on top, and it would be fun. So yeah, however much icing you want to do, and some people, which is crazy, you know, don't prefer icing.
What?
I know. Which I'm definitely.
I feel like Posey and I speak the same language.
I know. She is all about sweets, and I think my boys are getting that too. It's like they wake up asking for cake and candy every day. I'm like, no, no. So I don't know where they're getting that, but it's definitely, you know, Easter is here, and that is definitely our day to eat sweets and candy and stuff. So that's definitely going to be their favorite day of the year.
Yeah. So print this out. Make it for your family. Again, there's a long list of recipes that we've tried. I know Joe and I both at our homes that we know your families will like too. This being one of them printed out. It'll be also on foxandtv.com under the Studio 10 tab. Thank you, Lucy.
Thank you.
Looks good. The icing's like perfect.